Huh? That's good. I could tell you were staying up.
You got a handful, don't you?
I'm like, I love these gloves, but not when I'm taking them on and off.
Yeah. The gauntlet makes it hard.
It's like
If you put it underneath the sleeve.
Yeah. It's so warm down here that I'm like, hot, cold, hot, cold. Thank you.
So, first
Alright, so we're going to do
it
a
just
job.
foamed over.
Yeah.
Cool.
Do you want to try the blue getting down there, the mid-mountain meadow?
Why is it cold all of a sudden?
Can you try it?
Let's do it. I feel like I was really carving that time. Well, as opposed to, you know, some sort of a mix of snowplow and then turn.
Yeah.
Like I felt like both. Maybe this injury is going to cause me to get better form regardless.
You're more cautious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, it felt like
I feel like this snow is a little like, I don't know. It seems different today.
yeah, just slightly mushy.
Yeah. Maybe it's just because we're down low.
Yeah.
Definitely heated up quickly out here today.
Yeah. Oh no.
We were here yesterday, and it's amazing how you can tell a difference in just a day.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this
Yes,
here
that's what we
was
just
not
did.
nearly as like it was. Didn't get this heavy until
Yeah.
much later in the afternoon.
We're hoping tomorrow is going to be really great.
We're supposed to get a shitload of snow
Yeah.
for like 2 days.
You can tell the trees.
Yeah.
I wonder how those houses in Canyons look, if they look any different.
Oh, I know. They might,
I guess they look the same. Your goggles okay?
yeah.
You wish you'd kept your flip.
No. I mean, I can tell I can see fine, but I am squinting more.
She wants to ski more,
I
and
was
that
kind of
guy.
afraid I was going to fall.
Oh, I know.
It's like, don't want to go down.
I guess when the ski patrol guys came down over there, I was like, oh my goodness, I couldn't imagine getting bombed on while.
Why do you unbuckle your boots?
To get circulation back in my feet, are
That's fun.
almost two sizes too small.
Wow.
Purposefully though.
Yeah.
I like them very tight,
Yeah.
but they cuts off the circulation pretty easily.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Did you see what he was wearing? Definitely pro gamer. How'd you get faster than me? Hey Mel, that one to the right looks fun. That's just a blue. I don't know. Silver load.